Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see blocked messages on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Open Settings. Tap the Settings app, the gear icon. Go to Messages. Scroll down and select Messages. Tap Block Contacts. Under the Messages settings, tap on Block Contacts. Here you will see a list of contacts and numbers you have blocked. Check Block Numbers. To view any messages from blocked numbers, you will need to unblock them temporarily. Tap Edit in the top right corner of the block contact list. Tap the red minus icon next to the contact you want to unblock. Then tap Unblock. Once unblocked, any messages from that contact will appear in your Messages app. Check Messages app. Go back to the Messages app. If the contact has sent any messages while they were blocked, you will now be able to see them. Reblock if needed. If you want to block the contact again after checking, repeat the steps to block them through Settings, Messages, Block Contacts, and then tap Add New to re-add them. Remember, unblocking a contact will allow you to see messages they sent while they were blocked, but you won't be able to see messages that were sent during the period when the contact was blocked if they were not delivered. And that is everything you need to know about how to see blocked messages on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.